Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Enable two-step verification and sign in to the exact owner account because advanced tools require verified identity. Once done, verify your channel and check you meet watch time and subscriber minimums. This unlocks features. Next, open YouTube Studio, don't use a secondary profile, and navigate directly to settings to prepare for feature activation. Make sure to keep verification emails and phone handy. They often prompt mid-process. Now you enable the advanced tools inside YouTube Studio. Go to Settings, then Channel, and check feature eligibility. This tells you which tools are available immediately. Apply for monetization and activate custom thumbnails and live streaming if you meet each threshold, because these often require separate confirmations. Complete AdSense and any necessary tax forms to receive payments and avoid holdups. Once finished, visit the Features tab to toggle specific tools like end screens or memberships, and confirm changes save. Finish by testing every feature with a private or unlisted upload so you can verify settings without impacting subscribers. Make sure your channel has no active policy strikes or unresolved content ID claims because those block features. If you see issues, resolve strikes first. If a feature remains locked despite meeting requirements, use YouTube Studio's help and feedback to contact support and submit an appeal. Include screenshots and dates. Finally, recheck verification steps and clear cache, or try.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.